Hey everybody, it's Mike Frieder here with On-Call Compliance Solutions, and I'm back with another compliance tip of the week. We're talking about the real cost of compliance, how to get compliant in the defense industry without breaking the bank. Hey, if you're drowning in confusing compliance mumbo jumbo, if you're pulling your hair out, trying to understand these requirements, if you feel overwhelmed, tired, and alone, listen up because I've got great news for you. You found your home here at On-Call Compliance Solutions, where we'll transform you into your company's compliance hero. Now, let me just lay this out here for you. Back in 2017, the DoD forced defense contractors to comply with DFARS and NIST SP 800-171. 3 years later, only 1% were actually compliant. That is unacceptable. No question about it, not good for the safety of our information when it comes to defense. So, the DoD required SPRS score reporting, another small step in the direction of verification. Meanwhile, the DoD was busy creating the CMMC framework, third-party verification to ensure compliance with DFARS and NIST. It's rolling out in 2024, and there's no more self-attestation and wishful thinking allowed. Now, here's the million-dollar question. With fines and penalties looming, why do so few defense contractors actually get compliant? Well, I'll tell you the blunt truth, because no one else is going to say this. It's the money. It's all about the money, baby. And you know what? It's just too darn expensive for most people, okay? That's the big problem. It costs money. And the last time I checked, you're probably part of this thing called a for-profit business, right? So, getting compliant is crazy expensive. Consultants charge a king's ransom. New solutions cost a fortune, and it's an endless money pit. Here's the problem. Lax security makes contractors easy targets for cyber attack and data theft. And that obviously can't continue because our enemies are running around with all of our technology and they didn't work to earn it. And that's not cool. So companies struggle to comply, all while the government tries in vain to spread awareness. Nobody has solved the core issue, affordability. Look, I'm not like other consultants. I live and breathe this compliance stuff. I've helped defense contractors for 20 plus years, and I'm sick of the ridiculous pricing that hooks contractors into never-ending bills. So for the first time ever, I'm doing something about it. Actually, it's really not the first time ever. I've been doing something about it for 20 years, but I'm doing something about it that's something everybody can afford. Introducing our new do-it-yourself compliance system for DFARS, NIST SP 800-171, and CMMC levels 1 and 2 for defense work, baby. Everything you need for full compliance for less than $2,000. Yeah, that's right, I said it, less than $2,000. Even a one-man company can afford that. I'm talking step-by-step guides, templates, standard operating procedures, sample documents, sample answers to the controls, SPRS score instructions so you can actually go put your score in, maintenance systems, risk management, subcontractor compliance systems, everything you need to finally get this done yourself. It's like having me as your personal consultant for a tiny fraction of the cost. The exact system my entire team uses, now available to you for just $1,997 for a very limited time. Because I want compliance to be affordable for everyone, period. But wait, there's more. Because you know what? There's always more. I'm not just done providing you what you need. I want to go bonus, baby. I want you to be compliant and then some. So, I'm also including a full year of unlimited technical support access to my team of experts who are all certified Cyber AB experts. I want you to have the on-call help you need so you don't get stuck doing this and we all have a big mission accomplished together. I'm also throwing in free bonus tactics for leveraging compliance as a competitive advantage to win more defense contracts at higher profit margins. Yes, compliance can actually accelerate your growth, and I'm going to show you how. But my sales team says to me, Mike, why are you giving this away? Dude, you're going to tank our consulting business. And you know what? Here's why I'm doing it. Because sometimes you just got to do the right thing. Cyber attacks threaten our national security. They're threatening your business right now, guarantee it. Just ask somebody to look at your firewall. I must help the defense contractors protect themselves no matter what. And you know what? I'm willing to sacrifice a big fat consulting business just to do it. So if you want affordable, do-it-yourself compliance, go to OnCallAcademy.com and grab our ultimate compliance system right now. This is a limited time offer fueled by my passion for helping you get compliant if you're in the defense industry. I won't hide these solutions behind costly configurations and consultations any longer. Join us in securing the defense supply chain, and let's get this done. And you know what? This time, you're in charge, you're in control, we do it at your pace, and you've got everything you need right through us. Visit OnCallAcademy.com, and I'll see you there.